Good afternoon, everyone. I am presenting today a job offer from a company in Shinjuku, Japan. I am working for National Foreign Employment Association. We are conducting a job fair here at Chiyodaku, Tokyo, Japan. Okay. Today I will be presenting to you a job offer for 2 applicants in Shinjuku, Japan. The company name is Higashi Shoji. It is a full-time working in Shinjuku. It is a cooking job, and it starts from 10 a.m. to 9 p.m. in the evening. The salary ranges from 250,000 yen to 320,000 yen. Bonuses are possible, and holidays are 2 days in a week. Skills are Chinese and Vietnamese speakers, and the Japanese level should be daily conversation or more. The skills should be 2 years of cooking experience, and for more information, please screenshot this paper or call this number right here to book an appointment for an interview with us. We are available from Monday to Sunday, and these are the schedule for the time. See you and have a great day.